Nasdaq 100 last week, precisely respecting the bottom of this and also a critical support zone at 14,400, 600 has seen a bounce back and closed the week in green at 15,000 levels. What does this mean? Can we expect it as a reversal and can we expect it to climb toward the top of the channel at 15,200, 15,400 levels, or is it just a breakout to trap? We can again expect it to drop. Which position you should take in order to profit trading Tech 100 next week? We will see with the help of charts, followed with indicators, and towards the end, I will give you the trading levels and strategy to watch out for. Do watch till the end, listen to it carefully, trade as per the levels, and do note down the levels. Let's start. First, on the weekly charts, in the last week's review, we have seen that the bottom of this line, you can see the last three drops all beautifully aligned, and we have seen a bounce back precisely from the same levels. Again, this week, it has almost formed a double bottom and has reversed from the same levels. If you recall in our last week's review, I have told that after three red candles, it has shown an indecision candle. The probability from the double bottom levels will increase here. That is what has happened. But at the same time, if you look at the formation, three drops, couple of green candles, three drop, couple of green candles here. Now it can in fact, rather this is the first green candle, it can in fact move towards the top of the channel towards 15,200, 400 zone before looking forward to any downward move. That is what the trend right now it is reflecting. But at the same time, you must note that it is about lower highs, and only if it breaks beyond 15,600 zone, you can say that we are looking forward to all-time high level again. So a probability of a greener candle next week exists here, because see, preceding two candles coming with a longer tails suggest, and the closer of the week towards the top side towards in green and in positive note suggests that there could be a follow-up green candle from here as well. Now remember also it is closed the week at 15,000, which is a major psychological support level. Now let's have a look at the day. Likewise on the daily charts, consolidation here, first breakout. There could be a series of breakout here. For second greener candle can be expected, but remember 15,200, 15,300 is the zone. That is the first resistance, 200, 250, and then 400, 500 zone. This is the critical resistance level. You can note that 15,500 has created a ceiling here. You can see multiple candles falling flat. None of the candles closed above 15,500, and since then we have seen a drop. And if you note at the formation here, see the rise, the retracement to the bottom of the channel, to the top of the channel, to the bottom of the channel, and it is trying to move towards the top of the channel again. Now this is trying to create a squeeze, and the top of the channel as the time passes by is going to be somewhere here at 15,200, 400 zone, which is going to remain a critical resistance zone. In fact, I will say 15,200 itself is going to be a very good resistance. Now this is on the daily charts. Also, one must not forget that this is coming out in the backdrop of a major bullish move here. Since then, it is staying in this flag formation, and a breakout above 15,500 to be taken up very seriously. That should be a breakout which will definitely take Tech 100 towards the all-time high levels. In fact, it can move past the recent highs what we had seen, and hence this level is going to be critically watched out for. Now this is on the daily charts. Let's have a look at the monthly chart. Now looking at the monthly chart, see what it has done. The month has just started and it has already formed a double bottom levels and has reversed. Now I will definitely look forward to how far it can rise if it continues to stay bullish from here, because see, previous two candles lower highs and lower lows are seen. Right now it is reversed without achieving the bottom of this. And now if it continues to stay upward, this is the critical zone. We saw it on our daily chart that there is a ceiling getting formed here at 15,500. This makes this zone as a critical zone for Tech 100 in this month. Yes, whether it can rise till there or not, that is a bigger question. Possibly, yes, we may see it 15,200 to 15,400 zone. Possibly it may try to achieve those levels. Even if it is bearish, it can achieve those levels, create lower highs, and then show the swings here. Now if you look at the opening of this candle is in green. It has opened at a slightly higher levels at around 14,840 levels, 14,820 levels. If you look at the drop from here, almost 400 points is dropped. So almost 400 points on the upside is getting close to 15,200, which is going to be the first resistance zone at around 15,200, 250. So this is what we should look forward to. Now let's have a look with the help of indicators. What are the indicators are suggesting? Now if you look at the indicators, the monthly moving average is 20 period moving average is little far below at 13,800. And yes, it can drop till towards those levels. There is a very high probability. So far, the prices were divergent from the 20 period and are still divergent from the 20 period. And it has a very strong probability that it is going to converge till towards those levels in the near future. If you look at the monthly stochastic, this was also overbought. It is looking downwards. It is still staying bearish. And but MACD is the only area of concern. MACD has just crossed over a few months back and it is still in green. It has not yet crossed over on the sell side. Yes, it traded with divergence. That is why we have seen couple of red candles, but it is still staying in green. It is not yet crossed over. I will wait for a crossover in MACD. If it does crossover, remember this time it is going to break below sub-zero levels, which is going to bring more bearishness in the near future. But at the same time, one must note that this crossover on MACD, bullish crossover on MACD has come after a long bearish move, and I expect it to sustain for a while. RSI has dropped. It has come to comfortable levels here. Coming to the week, if you look at the weekly charts, 20 period moving average, it is passed by. The week opened at around 20 period moving average here at 14,750, 760 zone and has traded bullish here. If you look at the stochastic, this is dropped. The MACD, now this is important. MACD is trading with divergence and it is bearish. Remember, this crossover has come after achieving a higher levels and it has a probability for it to continue on the downside. Now see what has happened here. It was trading with extreme divergence. That is why we can see a greener candle here. Yes, it can yield another greener candle before looking forward to a downfall. And since this is coming at a higher levels, it has a higher probability to achieve at least the bottom of this towards zero levels. RSI has also dropped, now trying to look upwards. Coming to the on the daily chart, the 20 and 50 period moving averages have crossed over. 20 and 100 failed to cross over. Prices staying between the 20, 50, 100 period moving averages of now. If you see it staying beyond 15, 100, certainly more bullishness is going to prevail after 15, 100 levels. These are going to remain critical resistances here. Stochastic is rising, looking upwards. MACD, now see MACD after staying bearish for a while, it has crossed over here. And this crossover, you can see the waves here. And this crossover is looking to diverge and hence little retracement on the upside towards 15,400 levels cannot be denied here. In fact, that is a level where it is going to see maximum resistance. Stochastic is rising, that is also sign of bullishness. Now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to define the trading levels and strategy for you for next week. And before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. The 26th batch is going to start on 9th of October. Limited seats, couple of seats are still available. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, before leaving the video, press the like button. Do share, subscribe, and comment. Your every like, share, comment is a great inspiration, motivation for me to deliver to the best of my abilities. And yes, to get more market updates, live market updates, you should join my free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start. First, we'll look into the levels to buy here. I will recommend you to buy here at 15,025. Nearest at 15,060 levels, rather I will say 15,065 levels to be precise. Beyond that 15,110 levels. Now good resistance is seen at this zone. Beyond this, if it stays above 15,110, 15,200 is the next milestone. Then 15,260. Yes, it can fly till towards those levels. There is a probability. Beyond 15,260, we can look forward to 15,350 and 15,400. Now this is the first resistance here, and if it breaks past this, I will look forward to 15,520, 15,550. I do not see it breaking this zone any point of time soon, but yes, these are markets do not work as per my expectation. We have to just stick to the levels. 15,500, 520, 50 zone should not be breached in any case. This is 15,400, very good resistance. On the downside, you can sell here at 14,970. Now below this, the strongest support zone I have always maintained is 14,920 and 880. This is the maximum support zone, and then directly we may look forward to 14,800. If it breaks below 14,800, 14,720, 14,600, 14,500, and then 14,400. Breaking below 14,400, there is a catastrophe waiting there. It will land it to 13,800 levels directly sooner or later. But yes, stay short below these levels. In fact, I will recommend if you see it close to 15,400, 300 zone, any point of time soon, possibly that is a time where we can enter a sell position, but with caution because 15,500, 550 zone is where we should keep the stop losses. Beyond that, it will turn bullish again. Hence, take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. See you again with the daily updates. Do not miss the daily updates. Do like, share, and do join my free Telegram channel for more live updates. Thank you.